Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, I just wanted to go over a quick tip for the flanker SwapRig holster. Sometimes, I don't hang my shoulder holster up. I set it down somewhere, and sometimes I will pick it up and I don't know if it's easy to see here, but you see there's twists in this. And what I used to do is I kind of like run this, loop this in here and try to twist this around and stuff. The simple way to do it is these rotate. So you just go rotate. If it puts more kink in it, go the other way. Boom. No twist. This one has a twist in it. Let's see. Boom. No twist. No wrestling around your holster side, your spare magazine side. Just twist on that and fix it right up. Hope that helps.